So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first restart your device. When you restart your device and it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and scroll a little bit to search for your phone settings. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. Now tap on mobile network, tap on select the network. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on advanced. Scroll a little bit and tap on preferred network type. Now select this, which is 4G, 3G and 2G auto. When you select this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings. So when you get over here, tap on apps and notifications and tap on see your apps. After doing this, tap on or search for the name of the app, which is ADP Mobile. Then tap on for stop. Then you tap on OK. After that, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions. Then make sure every permission is turned on. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So tap on storage and cache and make sure this cache is well cleared. So after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to just tap over here to check the latest update of this app. So you have to tap on the update to get the latest update of this app. So after updating your app, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while. Now tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.